please watch the video to the end and help me explain this unique situation. Good day viewers, and welcome back to Dallas Auto Diag. A little history about the vehicle. It's a 2014 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. I fixed the vehicle. It had some drivability issue, transmission jerking. I called a module, and I ran into a situation which actually I didn't highlight enough in that video. I will put the link to the first part. It's a two-part video right here. And in the second part, after the second half, you will see that I wasn't surprised when I didn't see any entry, although usually there is a no response entry for it in my scanner. I use the Maxxis MS919. But even after replacing the module, I didn't find any entry for it in the scan tool. And I didn't spend any time, like more time on it. I just mentioned it in the video, and a lot of viewers contributed about this, and they said it might be a scanner issue, and that's why I didn't pay attention to it. But to be honest with you guys, this would be my first time to see a module on a CAN high and a CAN low communication lines that does not have an independent entry on a scanner. Now, what we're going today. This is the VIN number if you're interested. I already hooked up the Autel, and I will show you the diagrams. And I have the snap-on because some viewers suggested to use the snap-on, and today I have the OEM software to use to scan the vehicle and see if it is a scanner or if it is a unique situation. Again, we're talking about a module that has a CAN high and CAN low. It is on the same network as the PCM, the TCM, the ABS, a lot of other stuff, even the little stuff, the grill shutter, I believe it was there, and we found an entry for it, except this module, which is a big deal actually. It's not there. So let me take you to the diagrams to give you more information about it. First of all, if you watch the video, you will see that although this it's electric oil pump unit, and although it is related to the transmission, I couldn't find the diagram for it in the transmission control module. I found it in the engine control module schematics. Now, this is not the big thing. The big thing, as you guys see, it has powers and grounds, and we went and checked all of these in the diag process, and it has a CAN high and a CAN low. You see it? Pin number 4, pin number 10, white and brown. Now when you go to computer data lines, you will see that it is one of these ones that I highlighted. This is the active air flap, and this is the one. You see it? Electric oil pump unit. CAN high, CAN low. Same as the DC to DC converter. Same as ESC control module, hydraulic power unit, hybrid water pump, rear camera it does have a CAN high, CAN low, PCM, VESS unit, passenger weight classification sensor, airbag module, EPS, liquid steering. So it's there. I mean, it should be there. Let's do a live scan and see if it popped. Probably I didn't look carefully to find it, or they have it under a different name. So let's find out right now. Again, this is the same VIN number. Come on, Auto. This is live. I'm gonna pause and do a full. All right, and if you haven't seen this before, this is one of the features that the Autel started on the 909 and then the 919 and then the Ultra. This is basically 614. This is CAN high and CAN low, and since we have only CAN high and CAN low, so that module should be in one of these, not here because those have two, not these three because those have multiple CAN buses, but here, this branch right here. So what do we have communication with here? Active air flap, ABS, EPS, LDC low DC to DC converter, TPMS, airbag, AHB active hydraulic booster, immobilizer is not equipped, ODS occupant detection sensor. What is AHB? Active hydraulic booster. Active hydraulic booster. Could it be the one? Could it be the one we fixed? Do I have an active hydraulic booster here? Active hydraulic booster. EPS, SRS, classification sensor, VESS unit, tire pressure, PCM, rear camera module, hydraulic water pump, hydraulic power unit. This might be the active hydraulic unit. So okay, what we can do, we can search for a active hydraulic unit and see where is it. If it is the module that we fixed, that means this video makes no sense whatsoever. Alright, I'm gonna search and bring you guys back. While this loads and my hotspot sucks, I went to special functions for the active hydraulic booster, and from that special functions I know it's not. Here it says pressure sensor calibration, pedal travel sensor calibration. This is not. We're dealing with electric oil pump unit. But still, I mean, let's wait for this. Alright, so the active hydraulic unit is a part of the brake system, so this has nothing to do with us. Again, so back here to the topology, we said active hydraulic booster, airbag. It's not here. That's what I found out last time. We showed that it should be. Now we suspect a scanner. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hook up the Snap-on and do a search, see if we can find it. Somebody might say, how about these codes? What are they? Are they related to the module not being not showing on the scanner? No, they're not. They're just battery voltage history codes. Nothing but history codes. You see it? And occupant classified system, require weight check, history, and nothing. Again, if that module was not responding, it would be here. This is one of the 919 features, just like this hydraulic, automatic headlamp leveling. This car is not equipped with this module, so that's why you see no response. All right, we are doing a scan right now on the Snap-on. It's the same vehicle, we didn't go away. All right, same scan, same results, same codes, all history codes. All right, engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, active flap, active hydraulic booster, battery management, body control module, cluster, electric power steering, hybrid electric power unit, motor control unit, low DC to DC, power distribution module, smart key unit, smart junction box, telematics, tire pressure monitor, weight classification. Okay, snap-on, same results. Let's switch to GDS. GDS was able to read the VIN number automatically, and here we have engine, HEV motor system, HEV control system, HEV battery system. Now some of these modules it tell you when you select all, it tell you if it's some of them might not be equipped. HEV battery system, low DC to DC, automatic, transaxle ABS, active hydraulic booster, airbag, weight classification system, air conditioner, power steering, tire pressure monitor, auto headlight leveling, active air flap, immobilizer, power distribution module, smart key unit, smart key code and saving, body control module, cluster, smart junction block, telematics, transmitter code saving. Here we go. That just proved that the auto didn't fail when it didn't find it, and I really don't have an explanation, and it's kind of disappointing. The reason why, I always believed, like it's a rule for me, that if a module has a CAN high and CAN low, or any other CAN, be honest, that it should show up in a scan. But this clearly proves that no, not every module. Remember, if there is one case that it says no, you cannot make a rule of it. So this is my limit. This is my limit. I have done everything that the viewers asked me on those 2 videos. So now it's your turn. Please help me understand this. Why? I am probably missing something. And again, you have the VIN number. More than welcome to run it, see the schematics for it. I probably missed something, I don't know, but everything should be clear. And if you're sitting in a training event, if you're talking to your friends at the shop and you having the same discussion, feel free to save the video and shoot them the video. Be like, no, there is a proof that not every module on a CAN high and CAN low, if it has a CAN high, CAN low, does not mean that a scanner or a software is able to talk to it. Now, I don't know why Hyundai did this with this vehicle. I know it's some of you guys might say, well, it's 99.999. I understand, yes, but once you find one case, you stop trusting. You will always doubt when you don't see a module in a scan result. You will always doubt, like, you think that's one of the cases that I saw on that video that Dallas Auto Diag uploaded? You never know. You guys will remember me. You know what I'm talking about. But hey, if you stayed to the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Subscribe for more videos. We always discuss findings. So